What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad y'all are tuning in. This is another Social Sundays event with all the exotics here at the Rocket La Cantera in San Antonio. So again, I'm just getting the coverage. We're gonna get the drone footage, the ground footage of everything, so you already know how it goes. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. I greatly appreciate y'all. If y'all hear any wind noise, again, I do apologize for that. I have the muff on there to try to alleviate that issue, but regardless, hopefully the video turns out pretty good. And again, thank y'all for watching. Let's go ahead and get into the action. All right, guys, so we got people just trickling in. All right, like I said, we're here early, so the lot's not even full. But I'll continue to just film as I see cars come through and stuff like that. But y'all see. It's gonna be a good video, hopefully. Oh, I found our boy Wesley right here. Wesley, car looking real good, bro. Real good. And then a nice Grand Sport C6 that's right next to him too. That's looking clean. And a little C8 action right there. But the event's over that way, so I'm gonna head that way right now. We got our boy right here, our boy Andy. See his whip. He's got the new wheels. I haven't seen this with the new wheels in person, but looking real good. Real good. I like the Z06 wheels on these. Pretty nice. Oh boys, we got that nice orange Aventador coming through. Got a nice Shelby coming through here. GT350, I think. Just got a lot of aero, big wing in the back. Crazy. Got some more vets over here. It's nice C8. I like the red accenting everywhere. And then our boy Keen. So we got some nice GTRs coming through. Ivan with this nice GTR and Emma's car. Nice. We got Moolah coming in. Got another GTR right here. Chop. We got some nice cars pulling in. There's Eli. Another GT350. The nice Shelby Cobra. Cornelius's car right there. Saw him earlier. Got a little Viper. Got a little Z06. A little a demon right here. Another nice Ferrari, and then you got a lineup of some of the Vipers right there. guys, that Lamborghini STO, sick. And then the R8 right here, that's pretty nice too. Got the rolls. Very nice, very nice. The Lamborghini. Man, that Aventador with that like gray wrap reminds me of Batman. That is clean. Oh boy, what do we have here? That is nasty. There's that Aventador we saw earlier. Very clean. Alright guys, well that was pretty much the video, so I hope y'all enjoyed it with the drone footage that we were able to get and the ground footage and the cars that we saw. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. I'll be bringing y'all videos when I can. So otherwise, alright guys, peace out.